Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve and today we are doing this look. Guys, keep it locked as you see how this goes. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. And to my subscribers, guys, I really thank you all and keep up the same spirit, guys. Today I'm starting with a very simple makeup tutorial. Yeah, today I wanna be all pink, guys. See, my top is pink, so I want to do a pink glam, that is the eyes and especially the lips. So keep it locked and see how. So guys, first of all, I've already done my eyebrows, so I'm not doing the eyebrows today, I'm sorry. But if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I shared that on the last video. Yeah, there's some videos I've done with the eyebrows, and there is also a separate makeup tutorial for the eyebrows, so you can check on my videos, guys. So let's get straight to this eye makeup. So today I'm using this palette here. It's called Mary Daddy palette by Riena Beauty, and it has these amazing shades here, guys. See that? I'm in love with these shades, guys. So I'll be doing the pink, so I'll be using this shade and this here. Yeah, so, and I'll still transition with this brown here.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So what I did, guys, I just mixed with the white shade here to create this. So I used this white here, then this is what I used to, like, yeah, blend the darker one and the lighter one. Always use this to blend out. Always use a lighter shade on top of the darker shade. So that's what I did, and then I finished with this same color here, which is the pink. So I'll just go straight and do the eyeliner. I did the other eye off camera. So do you like it, guys? For the eyeliner, I'm using Zaron eyeliner.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
Next, I'm going to do the mascara, then I do the lashes off camera, then I proceed on the rest of the face. For the mascara, I'm using Golden Rose, this one. Next, I'm going to use a Rimmel primer to prime my face. Next, I'll be doing the Black Opal foundation in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I'll be blending this very fast. Always make sure you go even on your neck area so that you can have one color.
Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to.
Next, I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll just use that to highlight.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper.
Next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild setting powder. So I'll just go ahead and set my makeup.
I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
So now I'll use this to contour. This is the LA Girl, the dark one. It's in the shade Cocoa. I'll be using this, and then I'll finish up with this. This is my complexion, guys. This is in the shade Classic Tan.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a.
I will use the J-Cut highlighter to highlight my makeup. Then I'll be using this Trendy Top as the blush.
I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself.
This lippie here by Divas Cosmetics. It's called it's in the shade Fearless. So I'll start with this.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove.
And since I want that pink to pop, guys, I'll be using this lippie. Yeah, I'll do an ombre of this and this lippie here. This one I bought long time ago, so I can't remember what brand it is, but it's a very nice pink and it's matte. Let me know what you think about this look, this pinky look. So Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. See you on the next one. Bye.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner.